Oh, don't be shy. It's the RM4. This is such a nice half a bath with space. Now this one clearly has a lot of upgrades in it. But what a great open floor plan. You can almost put about any configuration of furniture. And the cabinet space is amazing.
I like the counter spaces.
Well, and the counter, so this is the countertop that's included in your interior. Yeah, and then this island. And that's the door to the garage. Harry Potter storage. Didn't you see the Harry Potter movies? Oh, Marty. And you know, this is just a perfect enough size for a loft for the kids. I mean, it really, truly is. It's a lot of house for you.
Mm-hmm. The square footage is a lot smaller than mine right now.
Yeah. Yeah, the second floor view in that lot will be beautiful. And with it being brand new, it's going to be built with today's energy efficiency and building code. So that's going to save a lot in utilities. Yeah, this is really cute. Good size.